Welcome to the channel, Scott's Garage HTX. Don't forget the HTX. Well, today I'm going to add lights to my 300SX. And I've heard that you can put light kits on these bikes. I think Sick Ass Racing's did it all the way up to 2022, and I actually called them in December and they said they had just got a donor bike to see what they can do for a light kit on the 2023s. But what I've heard is that they pull so much amperage for the lights that when you get to where you're going, you can't start your bike when you get there. So I thought I'd think outside the box. And I'm going to show you how I did this on the other side. So I'll install two lights. I used a clamp that I got at the motorcycle store, a Picatinny rail that I just got on the internet, a mini flashlight that attaches to the Picatinny rail, and a bicycle inner tube. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is tape up this clamp, everything but the clamping surface. I got this clamp at the motorcycle store, and it's the Cycra U-Clamp Protaper. It was $45. Right there. Like so. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Then I'm going to take the bicycle inner tube and cut strips of rubber that fit inside the clamping surface like so, and attach them with a spray adhesive. All the tape is off, and I think it looks pretty decent. Maybe that step wasn't necessary, but I thought it would keep from marring up the handlebars and give it a little bit more grip. Next, attach the flashlight to the Picatinny rail, like so. And then attach the Picatinny rail to the clamp. You can make this a little snug, but not too tight because you might want to make some adjustments once you get it on the bike. Looks like to be a 12 millimeter. This whole project took me 20 minutes per side, and I think it's pretty neat, but I don't think it was cheap. The clamps were $45, like I said. The Picatinny rails were $20, and the bike inner tube was like $10. That's not the big deal. Where the cost came in were the flashlights. They were over $300 a piece, but there's nothing saying that you have to use these exact flashlights. They have 3,500 lumens per side. That's 7,000 lumens as you go down the trail. Nothing says you have to use both at the same time. You can use this one, and if it starts to fade on you, it has 4 hours of battery life, you can go switch over to the other one. Also, when you get to your campsite or wherever you're going, you can detach these and use them as a flashlight, right? That's what I think it does, is added some versatility to this, and so I kind of like that. Also, I mounted these down here. You can mount them up here, but I kind of thought that would be risk of injury. If you come over your handlebars, this could be a point of injury, so I thought it was safest to mount them here. The only thing left to do is wait till it gets dark, push the bike out there, shine it down the street, and let's see how it does. You guys keep on keeping on. We'll catch you next time. This is with one light and two lights. I think that's a pretty good job. That's success, non-fail.